The iPad Pro M4 costs $1,299, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra does 89% of the same AI tasks for $400 less. And nobody's talking about it. We tested 5 tablets this year. The results completely flipped what everyone thought was the best choice. Here's what you're gonna learn. Which AI features are actually worth using in 2026 versus which ones are pure marketing. How these tablets perform on real work, drafting, transcription, task management, not synthetic benchmarks. And the single mid-range tablet that productivity experts are quietly recommending over everything else. I'll also reveal why the most expensive option on this list loses in daily use in a way most reviewers completely ignore. So why does 2026 actually matter for AI tablets? Because on-device AI processing has finally matured. These chips, the M4, the Snapdragon X Elite and the Surface Pro 11, MediaTek's Dimensity 9400, they can now run summarization, document drafting, and workflow automation locally. No need to send your data to a server. That's a genuine shift. A year ago, most of these AI features were just cloud API calls dressed up in a native UI. Now they're not. But here's the important caveat. And I'll get into this in detail later. Not every AI feature advertised on the box is actually available yet. Several are region-locked or sitting behind paid subscriptions. Keep that in mind. The 5 contenders worth your money right now: the Apple iPad Pro M4, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Microsoft Surface Pro 11, Lenovo Tab Extreme AI Edition, and the OnePlus Pad 3. Different price points, different users. Specs alone won't tell you who wins. The workflow tests do. When we ran real productivity tasks, meeting transcription, long-form drafting, AI-assisted task prioritization, 2 tablets pulled ahead on speed and accuracy. The Lenovo Tab Extreme AI Edition and the iPad Pro M4. The Surface Pro 11 didn't top either category. But it leads on one thing that matters to a specific type of user: full desktop app flexibility. If you need full Excel, full Photoshop, full anything, that's still the Surface's advantage. Quick note. If you're finding this useful, subscribing takes 2 seconds. And it genuinely helps me keep making these. Now, back to the battery reality that changes everything. Here's a number that should stop you cold. Under sustained AI workloads, meaning AI features actively running, not just screen on, the Surface Pro 11 drops to under 7 hours. The OnePlus Pad 3 delivers over 12. That's not a minor gap. For anyone working from a coffee shop, a flight, or a client site, that difference is the whole decision. The iPad Pro M4 lands around 9 hours under the same conditions. Solid, but not dominant. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra sits at 10. The Lenovo Tab Extreme AI Edition? Just over 11 hours. And it's still running strong AI performance. Did you know most tablet battery ratings are tested with AI features completely off? In 2026, that makes those numbers almost meaningless. That's how people actually use these devices. Now for the reveal. The tablet most productivity experts are quietly recommending in 2026 isn't the iPad Pro M4. It's the Lenovo Tab Extreme AI Edition, at around $849. It matches the iPad on core AI task performance. It beats it on battery under real workloads. And it costs $450 less. The on-device AI runs without cloud dependency. That's better for privacy and for working offline. Unless you're locked into Apple or Microsoft ecosystems, the Lenovo wins cleanly. Ecosystem fit is real and worth paying for if it applies to you. If it doesn't, the choice isn't close. Here are your actionable takeaways. 1. Prioritize on-device AI processing. Cloud-dependent features fail offline and expose your data. Ask specifically before you buy. 2. Test battery under active AI workloads, not screen on time. The real-world gap in 2026 is significant. 3. If you're deep in Apple or Microsoft ecosystems, the iPad Pro M4 or Surface Pro 11 still justify the cost. Ecosystem fit is a legitimate reason to pay more. The Lenovo Tab Extreme AI Edition is the best value AI productivity tablet in 2026, full stop, for professionals without a strong ecosystem lock-in. 5. Ignore AI feature counts in marketing materials. Many are region-locked or require paid subscriptions to actually unlock. If this saved you time or helped you cut through the noise, subscribe. I post every week. My next video breaks down the best AI note-taking apps to pair with any of these tablets. It's coming in a few days. One question for you: are you currently using a tablet for real work, or are you still waiting for them to be good enough? Drop it in the comments. I read all of them.